In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the map component in Adalo. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Adalo. Click through to the official site so you're working in the correct editor. If you use Adalo often, this is a good time to bookmark the page for faster access next time. Go ahead and log into your account to open the editor. Once your workspace loads, choose the screen where you want the map to appear. This could be a home page, a details screen, or any page where location context helps your users. Selecting the correct screen first keeps your layout organized and ensures you're placing the component exactly where you need it. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Marketplace. This is Adalo's catalog of components you can add to your app. It's designed to be quick to browse, and you can always return here later if you want to try additional components. Use the search bar in the Marketplace to find Maps, then click Add to install the component into your app. This will make the Maps component available in your component list so you can place it on any screen. If you're working across multiple apps, just make sure you're adding it to the one you have open. After installation, locate the new Maps component in your Components panel and drag it onto the screen you selected. Use the resize handles to stretch it to the size you want. Full width creates a more immersive experience, while a smaller card-sized map can keep the layout compact. Pay attention to spacing and alignment so it fits cleanly with nearby buttons, lists, or text. With the map selected, look to the Properties panel and find the field labeled API Key. Paste your own Google Maps API key into that field. This key allows the map to load tiles and features from Google services within your app. Keep your key private and store it securely. Never share it publicly. After pasting, give the editor a moment to update. You should see the map render once the key is recognized. That's the core setup. From here, you can continue designing your screen around the map, and, as your app evolves, explore additional configuration options inside the Properties panel to match your branding and layout. If the map doesn't appear right away, double-check that the key you entered is accurate and that you pasted it into the correct field. You've now added and configured a map in Adalo. Save your work, and you're ready to build location-aware experiences in your app. Thanks for watching, and happy building!